All right, Mac, this is for you, buddy. I was bragging about my little hit and miss washing machine motor yesterday. So we're gonna see if she wants to fire up. That's Norm's canoe. We just painted it yesterday. And let's give her a kick. It's been sitting for a couple days, but it's nice and warm out. So I think she's gonna fire right up. There she is, little cutie, eh? Don't mind my cinematography. Yeah, 1930 something. Johnson Iron Horse, Maytag washing machine motor. And with no further ado, let's give her a kick. There she is, buddy. Ta-da!